Alright, I'm gonna play a game of Geoguessr distance. Let's see how this goes. God, my hand is itchy. Alright, lock in, Dolpan, lock in, Dolpan, lock in, Dolpan. Let's go. Oh, this is a tough one. Oh, wait, what's that sign say? What's that sign say? What language is that? Is that a language? Okay, what subdomain is that? What? Oh, I can't make that out, but this looks... Montenegro? Yeah, I think this is Montenegro. Okay, now where is Montenegro? I think it's like Podorka. I'm so sorry to any Montenegrin or just general Europeans who are here watching this right now. Podgorica. Let's see. Yes! Okay, yeah, I did pretty good, dude! Yeah, dude, third? Dude, I'm sliding it. Okay, what flag is that? Why is it blurred out? What flag is that? Is it Lithuania? Is this Lithuania? What's This seems like Lithuania. I think that's the Lithuanian flag, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm just gonna guess Lithuania, because it also just generally looks like that kind, like a Baltic. I'm gonna do Vilnius, and Kalipida. You know what? I give up. I'm just gonna say there and there. Riga. I can pronounce the capital of Latvia, guys. And Helsinki. I can pronounce Helsinki. Hell yeah. Speaking of Helsinki, hell yeah. Oh, this looks like Asia. Swaraj Mazda. I think this is like India. Problem is India's not that big actually. But India has a lot of places in it because it's naturally a country which has places in it. It's really intelligent, Dolpan. That's really, really intelligent. What does that sign say? Is there any other signs here? This looks vaguely like India. Yeah, I think this is India. I don't know what that is, but this looks like India. Let's see what part of India. This is like rural, so maybe like here. I'm also gonna go Bengaluru. Oh, I popped off! How did I do that? I'm so good at this! Ooh! Why does it sound like like the Ford? This is Turkey. Gee, I wonder how I got that so quickly. I wonder, okay. I believe this is, I'm gonna say Ankara, no, I'll guess Istanbul. And also, well, there's water here. Is there water in Ankara? There's no bridge going over this, though. That's the problem. There's no water. So therefore, I'm just gonna put. Ooh, I popped off. Everybody guessed in Istanbul except for this guy. Which is fine, you know, we all make mistakes sometimes. I don't want to be toxic in Geoguessr. Oh! I love when there's big signs. Bashandarhara. You know what? I'm just gonna stop talking, you know? I almost said liver spring. Dhaka. Where the hell is Dhaka? It's in Bangladesh, is it? It's in Bangladesh. I've caught on to you. Where the hell is oh, there it is. Dhaka. I need a Dhaka. Okay, I need to stop laughing so loudly. I'm literally in a parking lot. I'm so happy. So happy. Well, this truck looks interesting. All right. Ooh, it's very interesting movement too. It's going. I feel like that's just how. Ooh, please tell me I can turn. Oh no, I can't read the sign. Wait, what does that sign say? No parking. Construction area, keep out. National park boundary. Where would this be? This seems like the United States. But it also seems like I'm kind of lost here. National park boundary. Zion. Maybe it's Zion. I doubt it's Zion. I'm definitely wrong. I was really wrong, but I didn't get eliminated, and I was the closest person to there, miraculously. Actually, yeah, no, that does look like Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, actually. Okay, what language is on that sign? I'm really good at Geoguessr just through stationnement. This is either Montreal, Belgium, or France. Or like somewhere else in Quebec. You know, like that kind of thing. Like I'm no rainbow, but okay. Deval. Has of the couture. This already kind of looks like Montreal, but I also have only been to Montreal once, and I've never been to France. You know what? I'm gonna play it safe. Actually, I'm gonna go this way. What's this say? Okay, this is Quebec. No. Okay, somebody gets France, so that's there. There. Fucking Dolpan, you're in the top. Where is the road? There's no road. The hell is this? Man, what the heck? I'm on a roll, and then it just drops me in the middle of butt frick nowhere town. Well, actually, I'm on a path now. I'm on a path, very loosely, but I'm on a path. Okay, there's water here because there's a puddle. Maybe like this looks depressing. So like maybe the UK. I'm gonna go like Wales area, and also in the middle of Russia. Middle of Russia! Saved me so hard there. God. Let's go, let's lock in. I'm curling my toes. I don't know why I said that out loud. Y'all, I'm curling my toes. This looks like India. Like, camel. Like, maybe here? Maybe more like here? I'm so good at this!